So I'm Anthony Ayers. I'm from Fresno County Superintendent of Schools. I'm an area coordinator for them, and my curriculum area is industrial technology, and the main focus is on construction. So as a former construction teacher, you know, you're always thinking about ways to improve and enhance programs. About 4 years ago, I was able to hook up with Nick here at California TinyHouse and come up with a partnership of we can integrate what our curriculum and what our competencies and standards are within the construction programs and tie them into something that's project-based, that's actually doable on a school site. And the TinyHouse concept was it. That's what hit the mark for us.
So today is framing day. We've got teachers, CTech guys out here, all working together, getting these walls put on the trailer. So we're on the one wall, the starting wall first, getting this thing put together right now. Everyone's working and sweating and having fun. Framing day. There you go.
So my name is Lino Gonzalez. I'm a teacher, construction teacher at Madera High School, and I spent a week here. I got an opportunity to do a little of framing. I got an opportunity to do a little electrical, interior finishes. I got an opportunity to put in windows and doors. So there was just a lot that was taught to me. Cool. I came in with the idea of seeing what this is all about and getting my feet wet. And if our school district can afford this, if they can help us, perhaps we could move that direction. This year we built a shed and we built planters, but it would be pretty awesome to go this direction.
All right. Yeah. All right, slide it. All right, that's good. Now stand it up. Wall one, done. And up.
All right, my name is Caitlin Carpenter. I am a teacher at Mendota High School. I currently teach our Ag Mechanics pathway with a focus in construction, and we are currently building a tiny house out of our school. Well, started off when I came out here to California TinyHouse 3 years ago for the first, one of the first teacher trainings that you guys hosted. Got introduced to the Tiny House program, actually brought my admin out to California TinyHouse. They loved the program, and I decided as a first-year teacher we're going to dive right into it. When I first came out here, very friendly, open, very supportive of the schools and the programs that we have out there. Coming out here, working with the guys, they're very welcoming, especially being a female and a female teacher. They throw me into the same jobs that they do. And they are not afraid to answer any questions that we have about the program.
And we're able to take this type of a project at a smaller scale than what they're doing here in industry and have the students go through it and learn all the different phases in construction. For the most part, it is conventional construction with some tweaks to it to modify it for you know, road travel and those kind of things, but the gist of it brings in the framing, the basic electrical, the plumbing, roofing, siding, finish. So everything that they're doing here is what our curriculum requires. Funding is always the number one. It's complete. Is it going to sit here for how long? Or am I going to be able to push it right away and get that money back in the account to roll it back into next year's project? So you know, I think the security to the districts of knowing that these are going to move is a huge selling point in continuing this type of project. If there was a guaranteed type of sale, then that would definitely increase the interest in doing this.
The students love it. They love the hands-on application. They like to see the start to finish. They enjoy getting to try every aspect of construction rather than just the basic wood shop stuff that you normally see. So they like the real-world application that they get to do. You know, there's no point in coming out here and just standing around. You got to get hands-on, you got to get the experience, otherwise you're not learning from it yourself, and the same applies towards the students. If we don't give them that hands-on, they're not going to be learning.
So the students have really bought into this concept. To them it's real, it has a real outcome to it. It's a final product that's going to actually go somewhere. It's not going to go into a pile of scrap. and it's going to make a difference in somebody's livelihood. I just can't believe how far it's come in such a short time. If you're an educational institute and you're doing what's best for kids, you're going to find a way to fund a project like this, because this is where they're going to get real world experience and application that they can transfer into life after high school.